Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can track your time on Asana. So let's get right into it. Now, to do this, you're going to need to add 2 columns to your project or to your tasks or to whatever, and as you can see, I'm in my project right now. It is tutorial WBS. I've used this for a previous tutorial, but in essence what you're going to want to do is go into customize. Now, as you can see here under fields, if I go into add and if I go to choose from library, I can just click time, and as you can see, I have actual time over here and it has been added over here. Now, this can be just a timer which you can add manually, for example 12:30, 12 hours 30 minutes, or just, well, 30 minutes makes more sense, and then you can add time here as well if you want to, or you can just start a timer and it'll automatically just, well, pretty much go by itself. But yeah, I've seen other tutorials where they just click on customize and go into fields and add a timer from here where it says time yourself. I can't seem to find it, but you can add a for example, what do you want to call it, estimated time, and you can just click time tracking here as well. And if you have estimated time, you can add, for example, 45 minutes, and then under actual time you just click start timer, and then once you're done you just finish with it, and then it must run for a minimum of 30 seconds to record the time, so keep that in mind. But after you're done with it, just click there and it'll record the time, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.